Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool using which you can create mind maps. So there are various mind maps you can create. One is brain writing, circle layout, employee chart, flow chart, grid layout. So let me choose something like employee chart. So you can come in here and you can put the company information. So I can say this is the CEO, this is various department. So if I want to add anything, I can add it here. Now if I want to add something else here, I can say control and enter and it will create one more below. So if I want to create it sideways, I can do that too. So here you can create various mind maps, and after doing all those things you can take a printout. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.